In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lindy AI to replace 5 employees. Lindy AI is an AI automation platform designed to help businesses automate repetitive work by using AI agents. Instead of relying on multiple people to handle routine administrative and operational tasks, Lindy can take over many of those responsibilities in a faster and more scalable way. If your goal is to save time, reduce manual work, and streamline everyday processes, this is a tool worth understanding. To get started, go to Lindy and open the platform. Once you're there, it helps to think of Lindy not just as a chatbot, but as a digital team member that can be trained to perform specific business functions. The big idea here is that one platform can support the kind of work that would normally be spread across several different roles. The first role Lindy AI can help replace is an administrative assistant. It can manage emails, organize calendars, schedule meetings, send reminders, and follow up with contacts. These are the kinds of tasks that often consume a large part of the day, especially for small teams or business owners. Automating them can free up a lot of time and make communication more consistent. The second role is a customer support representative. Lindy can answer common customer questions, route inquiries to the right department, provide automated responses, and handle basic support requests. This is especially useful for businesses that receive repeat questions and want to respond quickly without overwhelming their support team. The third role Lindy can support is lead qualification. It can review incoming leads, collect customer information, score prospects based on your criteria, and even schedule sales calls automatically. This helps sales teams focus on the most promising opportunities instead of spending hours sorting through every inquiry manually. Next, Lindy can function like a data entry assistant. It can automate form processing, CRM updates, contact management, data organization, and information extraction. That means less repetitive manual input and fewer chances for human error, which is especially helpful when you're dealing with high volumes of information. Finally, Lindy can act as a content and communication assistant. It can generate email drafts, meeting summaries, reports, internal updates, and even marketing content drafts. This makes it easier for teams to keep communication moving without starting from scratch every time. So when you look at Lindy as a whole, you're really looking at a platform that can support admin work, customer support, sales qualification, data handling, and routine content creation all in one place. The key benefit is efficiency. By automating these repeatable tasks, businesses can spend more time on strategy, relationships, and growth.